Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. Today I'm going to talk about a design fault with the Talbot Express Autosleeper, and it's to do with the drawers and the catches, these things. And what the problem is if you've got anything loose in the drawers, you may find you get to a point where you pull up at your campsite and some of the drawers won't open, and the reason for this is a bad design in the catches. And it's a very simple design, but it has problems, and it's to do with what's in the drawer. Now I'm going to just turn the drawer around and show you what I'm referring to. Okay, turn the drawer around. I don't know whether you can see it on this camera. Now I've positioned the camera in the drawer so you can see what I'm referring to. And what happens is, when you operate the mechanism, this is the piece that catches on the top of the catch to keep the drawer shut. So when you press it down, you can then slide the drawer out. But if you've got anything like cutlery that's loose in the drawer, you may find, excuse the noise, you may find that they slide forward and it goes under the bottom of the catch. And I'll just put another one under. You can't open the drawer because the cutlery or whatever's loose, you know, moving about in the drawer, could be anything. It could be keys, could be coins, could be, I don't know, whatever you've got in the drawer goes underneath here, and you can see it stops. So the only way you can open the drawer is if you have to really bash it underneath from the bottom, if you can, to jiggle all this up so that it comes out. And you can see it happens on nearly all of these drawers. You can see it goes down now and it opens fully here. That's all you need, is something to go in it, a bunch of keys, and you're in trouble. Now I'm going to show you how to make a modification to it to stop this from happening. Now what you need is some very thin plastic, if you've got anything lying around. And I think this was a liner out of an old suitcase or something like that, and I've saved. And you need to cut it a shape like this, and it has to be quite thin so you can see what's happening here. It's going to go across there, and I'm going to utilise these two screws. And as I say, it has to be quite thin so it goes under these screws. And all it means is cutting this with a pair of scissors to a shape that suits you. This is just an off cut. I don't have much of this left, so it's just an old piece. And trim it with a pair of scissors, and I'll drill the holes. You have to take this off to mark the holes for this, and then I'll show you once it's assembled. I've cut the plastic to shape I want it, and using a pencil I've drawn around it so it's marked the back of the catch mechanism here. So when I remove the catch, so I can mark the holes, I can make sure that it's going to align properly with the bottom and the catch goes back into its original position for alignment. there's always going to be one tight screw. Now hopefully you can see the pencil marks there. So you hold your plastic onto your marks, turn it over, holding it securely, and then all you need to do is put a pencil down each hole to mark the drill holes for the screws. Now you want to drill the plastic so the holes are bigger than the screws, so that there's some form of adjustment, and then you can put your screws through. That's one, and then the other one. Sorry, it's a bit slippy on this surface. Like that, and it goes through, and I'll just assemble it and show you the finished modification. And there we have it assembled. And don't over tighten these screws, because this wood here will expand and contract depending on the temperature, and if these screws are too tight you'll find that this won't work properly, the catch. And you can see now, if I put the screen in here, there's no way it can go into the catch. And that's it on this modification. Very, very simple. Very cost effective, as it really is just a scrap bit of plastic. And as I say, leave these screw holes, we put the screws in on this thin plastic, quite large, so there is adjustment on this catch if you need to adjust it still. So thanks for watching, and sorry this video is a bit higgledy-piggledy. It's just very difficult to video in this light condition. It's another day of pouring rain and wind. So please subscribe and like, and this is just one of the modifications that can be done to the Talbot Express to make life a lot easier and to help prevent drawers jamming and things like that. So thanks very much again. Bye.